Hey, what's up? It's Rich. I have something very unique from the studio today. Usually we're talking about some of these amazing products that are behind me, but today we're talking about a decoration technique. I think the reason why we don't talk about as much on the decoration side is because it stays pretty consistent. Screen printing, embroidery, we got some specialty stuff. We come up with some unique treatments, dye and washes, and then, we go into like nail heads and rhinestones, but at the end of the day, it's pretty traditional. But I have something really incredible for you, and we're calling this embroidery embossing. Now, if you want to do a traditional embossing, you have to go and get these metal plates made in order to get this texture to happen. But we have come up, the team over here, Joey and the squad, have come up with an amazing way to actually do this in-house, and it doesn't require you to get like a metal plate and create the embossing. So all you have to do is set up, first and foremost, the art has to be right. I would say, you're not gonna do small detail for an embossing. So keep all of, the art nice and thick. If it's lettering, just like this culture here, all the letters are nice and thick. And then we're doing something magic on the inside, and then we're doing an embroidery run stitch around it. We also keep the inside of the shirt nice and soft too. You are gonna see like some type of like a backing on the inside, but we try to keep it pretty smooth so you don't have like this big plate or metal bulletproof vest on your chest. We also try to incorporate, since it's gonna go on the embroidery machine, you can do some direct embroidery below. Also, I would think about doing like a puff embroidery or maybe having a metallic thread. So this is really new. We're calling it embroidery embossing. Definitely try it out for your brand.